How to fix no sound output problem in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to start by opening your settings. Once you are in settings, simply go for this sound under the display. Once you have entered here, as you can see, choose where to play your sound. Make sure that it is selected to your desired output device. So in my case, I am using my speakers. So make sure that it has set it to your desired output device, and if not, you have to click on this pair a new output device and simply go for this add a device. Once you have clicked on that, you have to go for this wireless display or Bluetooth, whatever you are currently using. Once you are done, you have to move to the step number 2, which is simply search for device manager and go for this audio inputs and outputs. Go for your output device and make sure its driver is up to date. Once you are done, this will resolve your issue. So that's how basically you can fix no sound output in Windows 11.